welcome to Dashcam 365. If you guys enjoy Dashcam videos, subscribe. Most importantly, if y'all want to catch new videos, please turn on all notifications. Let's go. If I could melt your Ollie making a bed. Tutorial. Ollie, you know where we're going? Ollie, you're not cold? Ollie, you know where we're going? Ollie, you know where we're going? Ollie, you're not cold? Ollie making her bed. She's a fucking thotty now, huh? Bitch. Giống như một vở kịch buồn, cả hai vai cố đừng trở về ấy. If I could know your heart.
Ollie, thanks for editing my video. Ollie, thanks for editing my YouTube video. Good job, girl. Ollie, the video is almost ready. Ollie, thanks for editing.
Yikes! Oh.
In 50 feet at the traffic circle, turn left onto East 7th Avenue. Inga's Alpine Tavern may close within 1 hour of when you arrive. At the next light, turn right. At the light, turn right onto Corona Street. Your route may be affected by winter storm warning.
Alright fam, this is what happens in Denver when we get these late snow or September snow, you know. Trees gonna be falling everywhere. Welcome to Denver fam. Trees falling down.
Go past this light, then, at the next one, use any lane to turn left onto East Spear Boulevard.
Tree falling down.
At the light, turn left onto East Spear Boulevard.
To me, it means unity. It means gente. You know, Colorado.
You get these this is what happens in Denver when you get these late snow or September snow. You know. Trees gonna be falling everywhere. Welcome to Denver, fam. Alright, fam, this is what happens in Denver when you get these late snow or September snow. You know. Trees gonna be falling everywhere. Welcome to Denver, fam.
In half a mile, after Flower Child, use the middle 2 lanes to take a slight right.
Oh man, just pick up a Uber Eats order today. This order, the pay is $20 for 5 miles. But I remember this dude, man. Last time I delivered to him, he paid me. He tipped me like $15. 24 hours later, $20 for 5 miles became Some drink, bro.
And this is what happens in them. And this is what happens in Denver when you get these. What's up, Denver fools? I'm here with son Harley now.
Dun, 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 dun. Đậu mà tiểu lại lâu nè, tiểu lại mà cay á.
After Flower
Let
Town,
me know,
take
Johnny.
a slight right onto Steel Street. In half a mile, use the left 2 lanes to take a slight left on East Alameda Avenue.
Hey, Cha-choing.
Y'all can't get the Canada Goose with the coyote fur, right? Shit, man, still got some head. Yo, VIP.
Take a slight left on East Alameda Avenue.
Dressed like a Comic-Con does not make you want to be Japanese. You're a bunch of dummies, bro. Man, anyone watching the Avs game tonight? Nhưng mà you không thử cái nước phở trước khi bỏ nước tương với lại tương ớt vô, you là sai. Đúng, đúng rồi. Mình phải thử cái nước chứ.
You are sai.
Starting at $25 for 2 entrees, 2 drinks, and a large chips and queso.
Go past this light and use the right 2 lanes to take your next slight right onto South Gatesdale Drive. Take a slight right onto South Gatesdale Drive. In half a mile, turn left into the parking lot.
At BetMGM, a simple bet has a chance of turning into something legendary. Mind betting? At BetMGM, a simple bet has a chance of turning into something legendary.
Turn left into the parking lot. Then your destination will be on the left.
Inga.
At BetMGM, a simple bet has a chance of turning into something legendary. Mind if I come? At BetMGM, a simple bet has a chance of turning into something legendary.